Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a nail makeover. So this is the set that we're starting with. But yeah, I'm just taking off the product and I usually don't show the removal. But as I was taking it off, she was telling me how satisfying it looked coming off of her nail and that people might want to see it too. So for once, I'm going to leave that in the video. So in about 2 days, these will be 2-week-old nails, I believe. So they do have a bit of new growth, so I will be filling them in. So I'm just going to show you how I prep the nails for a refill redesign. So this was a gel polish design and it started out as a nude to clear full set. And I just kept decorating it, kept changing it, which is what I love about doing nude to clear full sets. You can change them up constantly and it's really easy to do. This didn't take too much time. So I'm using this drill bit from Atwood Industries and it is not a safety bit. So I like this drill bit and I do recommend it to you guys, but I would feel better just recommending a safety bit because I have cut myself with this. And getting used to handling it, it takes quite a bit of practice getting used to handling this bit. It is very powerful and very sharp. As you could see, all of that product just came right off in seconds. I was literally slicing through stuff. And if you do use a bit like that, and you do take off a lot of stones and metallic objects, please wear safety glasses or have your client wear them as well, and just have your client look away because that would be the worst thing to ever happen, for some kind of debris to like fly up in your face, which it does happen. And just be, aware of the safety precautions. And yeah, so after all of that is off, I'm going in with the cuticle bit and taking off this thick regrown cuticle. Her cuticle is so that thing comes back with a vengeance every time, so I have to really get in there. Any kind of lifting or white material, I'm just taking that out of there. But you don't want to be too abrasive or irritating. Just gently, with a gentle hand, just take that off of there so that you can have a really nice fill. I'm also going to shape up the nails and buff the surface just so that it's smooth and we have a really smooth canvas to begin working on. So as you can see, there's still a good amount of acrylic left on the nails, and this was intentional because I was running out of monomer. I didn't want to use too much acrylic, and